Hey everybody, and welcome back to Mission Control for a quick tips video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a TitanOne, a T1, or a T2 as additional outputs on a console. If you need additional DMX outputs on a console, you can use a TitanOne, a T1, or T2 to add them to your console without needing a streaming ACN or ArtNet node. You can only use one TitanOne/T1 or T2, or one of each. They can be assigned in DMX settings to any line you wish. So let's take a look at that. Here I've got Titan mobile interface on version 15 of Titan. So on my console, I'm going to press Avo and Disk to enter the system menu, and then I'm going to choose DMX settings. And we see here, under DMX output, I've got the T2's output A, output B, and a TitanOne's output A also. So assign them to the line I want. I simply click on the T2's line 1 and put it on line 5. I can put output B of my T2 and put it on 6, and my TitanOne and put it on line 7. And then simply exit out of the menu, and we're ready to go. So this has been how to use a T1 or T2 as additional outputs for your console. I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook, Avolites US. Join us here. Next time, please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.